Hi guys, thanks for tuning into the Scan Tool Network. Here in this video we are in a Mini and we are doing a demonstration for the airbag light reset for the iCarsoft CR Pro kit. This procedure is going to be the same for pretty much any vehicle that the CR Pro covers, and I'm going to put links to this kit in the description below this video because there are fakes, there are clones on the market, and if you want to make sure that you're getting a genuine and official product, then please use the links in the description below this video. Unfortunately, the fakes and clones can cause damage to your vehicle. Okay, so we have the tool plugged into the diagnostic port, and we're going to just simply select the diagnostics option from the main menu system. And it's going to be a case of going through and selecting our vehicle. So in this case it's Mini. And it just takes a few seconds for the tool to connect to the vehicle. So we click on to manual. We're going to find the airbag system, which in this case is SRS Supplemental Inflatable Restraint System. So we'll click onto that and we'll go to read fault code. So it's giving us two fault codes. We've got side airbag driver resistance too high. The code is 93097C at the top there. And then we've got 9309C4, driver's seat belt buckle contact communication fault. We basically found a loose connection underneath the driver's seat. We have put it back together, but obviously it hasn't reset the airbag light. It generally doesn't reset the airbag light. You do need a tool to actually do the reset. So we're going to do that now. And if we go to clear fault memory, just click onto that. It says fault code and freeze data information will be erased. Are you sure to continue? So I'm going to click enter here and just keep an eye on the airbag light when I do so. There we go, airbag light is gone and we have a raise operation done on screen. So it's all thanks to the iCarsoft CR Pro kit. You know, this kit covers all systems in a wide range of vehicles, and it also does like service functionality as well, service resets, DPF regenerations in certain vehicles. But as I say, if you are interested in this kit and you want to make sure you get a genuine tool, then just make sure that you use the link in the description below this video. That will take you to the genuine product. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video helps you.